The 2021 Lamborghini Huracan EVO by Novitec. Novitec has a great deal of experience in tuning and developing packages for exotic cars. This time around, it has laid its hands on the Huracan EVO RWD. The German tuner has developed a styling package that includes carbon fiber elements, a new set of wheels and tires, and an upgraded suspension system and exhaust system. The package, however, doesn't include any power boost or drivetrain upgrades. What's special about the Novitec Huracan EVO? Novitec has developed a kit for the Huracan that makes it quite a looker. The two-seater receives a new bumper up front with a naked carbon front spoiler and a front wing above the center section that helps keep the supercar grounded at high speeds. The stock hood is swapped for a carbon unit with larger air intakes. In case your Huracan EVO comes with a glass hood, Novitec says it can upgrade with air intakes on either side for optimized airflow. The tuner has also teamed up with Vossen to design new wheels for the EVO. It now rides on 20-inch wheels wrapped in 245/30th section tires at the front and 21-inch wheels shod in 325/25th section tires at the back. New carbon front flaps are also equipped that further aid with aerodynamics. The car is further equipped with mirror covers and air intakes on the sides at the rear made of composite material. A redesigned trunk lid can be had, too, along with rocker panels that improve cooling of the rear brakes. Apart from this, the Novitec kit for the EVO also comes with a diffuser and a large rear wing. The Huracan EVO RWD continues to be powered by a 5.2-liter V10 engine that dishes out 602 ponies at 8,000 revolutions per minute and 413 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute. Power is sent only to the rear wheels here via a 7-speed dual-clutch LDF gearbox. The supercar takes just 3.3 seconds to sprint to 62 miles per hour and 9.3 seconds to 124 miles per hour from a standstill. The top speed is rated at 202 miles per hour. The tuner has equipped a high-performance exhaust system, though, for louder and throaty grunts. You can have these in either stainless steel or lighter Inconel material. Novitec has co-developed an aluminum coilover suspension with KW. New sports springs were installed that help lower the Huracan EVO by up to 1.4 inches. These were originally designed for GT3 motor racing and comes with 13 selectable compressions and rebound stages both in the low speed and in the high speed range. Final thoughts. There are no ready templates or designs for the interior, but Novitec says it can customize it based on the customer's preferences. The cabin can be spec'd to any color and upholstered in materials like leather and Alcantara. Novitec didn't reveal the price of this package, but don't expect it to be cheap. The stock Huracan EVO RWD retails at around $210,000.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.